welcome to the quarterfinals of Po Mano'o. And now, ladies and gentlemen, give it again, teams. Po Mano'o. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come very far, and my drummer is still not picking up the cues. But with no further delay, we're going to call on our first team. We come all this way. We have Team TropiKal. Please give a big hand for Team TropiKal. Let's say. Sorry, let me get this out of you. Thank you very much. And your opposition team for today, Team TropiKal. We have Water for Life. Water for Life. Robin. Thank you very much, teams. It is an honor to have you all today. We have Team TropiKal and Team Water for Life. Guys, this is the quarterfinals. You will see a lot of change, a lot of new rounds. Don't be scared. Main thing of Po Mano'o is to have fun. So, please. Teams, the newest round or addition to Po Mano'o is Valu Valu V. Valu Valu V, we will go through famous faces, famous places, logos, songs, and movies. We will show them all on the screen, and the first team to buzz in and give the correct answer wins 10 points. All the best to our two teams. For the first part of Valu Valu V, we have our first famous face. If you think you know, buzz in very, very quick. We have Water for Life. He's an actor.
Denzel Washington.
Denzel Washington is correct. 10 points for Team Water for Life. Great job, teams. Remember, fast to the buzzer, and your second famous face. It's in black and white. Who could it be?
Is he Tommy?
He's Samoan. He's definitely Samoan. He probably served in a war. None of us history majors? Ooh, any guess from our team? Time is up. Nice going, teams. This person is Malietoa Tanumafili the First. Malietoa Tanumafili the First? Okay, don't worry, we still have a lot to go through. Our last famous person, I'm pretty sure everyone knows this iconic celebrity. Okay, TropiKal.
Gal Gadot.
Gal Gadot.
Gal Gadot.
Gal? Oh. Is it Gal? Yes, it is. 10 points for Team TropiKal. Nice going, teams. Okay, teams. We're down to famous places. The 10 points will be split into two. 5 points for the place and 5 points for the country or village that it's from. Okay? That it's in. All the best, teams. Your first famous place. It's very green. You see it in a lot of movies. A lot of King Arthur movies. TropiKal's fourth player dying to give the answer. Anyway. Yeah, you see a lot of stones. Stone is in the name. Do we have an idea? It's in the UK. Time is up, teams. This place is the Stonehenge in England. Stonehenge in England. Yes, next time you see it in a movie, no, Stonehenge, England. But, don't worry. Your next famous place is very popular in our island. Anyone recognize this beach? Tropical.
Bollywood Deep Reserve.
Pololo Deep is correct. Matautu is also correct. And 10 points for Team Tropical. Don't worry. You're next. Famous place. Team. Cool. Team Tropical.
Is it Uluru in Australia?
That is correct, and 10 points for Team Tropical.
Okay then.
Congratulations, teams. We're done with famous faces and places. We're now moving on to logos. If you know this logo, buzz in quickly and give your answer. Your first logo. Ooh. I have a feeling somebody's gonna get it really, really quickly. Tropical.
Wallabies?
Wallabies is incorrect. Nice try, Tropical. Water for life.
Wallaroos?
That's a nice try, but also incorrect. This logo is the Australia Kangaroos. It's the rugby team, I believe. But yes, for your information, Australia Kangaroos. For every incorrect, and you buzz in first, is -5 points. Unfortunately, Tropical, that's -5. But don't worry, this next one should be very easy, very fun. Your next famous logo. If you can see it a little bit, press it. Water for life. Nintendo? Oh, nice try. We still give a chance for Team Tropical. PlayStation is correct, and the points go to Team Tropical. Nice try. Nice try. Don't worry, team. Our last logo for Valu. Team Tropical. Nice try. Team Tropical, that is incorrect. Unfortunately. Team Water for Life.
Seki Eats?
I'm so sorry. That Seki Eats is incorrect. This is a show called MasterChef. This is the MasterChef logo. Nice try, teams. Don't worry. But now we're going into songs. For songs, we will play the song, and you have to give the name of the artist and the name of the song for 10 points. If you get one of each, 5 points. Okay? Oh, the best teams. Your first song. We have Team Tropical.
Mr. T, Solo.
Mr. T, Solo. 5 points. Mr. T is correct. Solo Solo Uta is not the name of the song. Team Water for Life. If you can get the name.
Are we supposed to like continue?
No, the name of the song. Oh, nice going. But name of the song is Pito Nu'u Solo Solo. Don't worry, that was 5 points. Don't worry. We have another song. Sure, you guys will get it. Tropical.
Adele, Easy on Me.
Adele, Easy on Me is correct. And 10 points for Team Tropical. Nice going. Our last song, third and final song for Valu Valui. Buzzing quickly. If you... Team Tropical.
Take on Me.
Aha, Take On Me is correct. And 10 points for Team Tropical. Don't worry, wonderful. We're now going into movies.
Our generation.
I see some.
Like what?
Okay. Our first movie. Tropical. Make a mind is correct, and that is 10 points for Team Tropical. Second. Team Tropical.
Predator.
Predator is correct, and 10 points for Team Tropical. Oh wow.
Read books.
Oh, lost.
Every book title.
Movie.
Predator.
Tropical.
Hunger Games.
Oh, it's that.
Which part?
I thought that was. Isn't that the same thing?
Mockingjay.
Unfortunately, that is incorrect. Nice try, Team Tropical. Team.
One of the Hunger Games. No, that's a different one. So it's Hunger Games. So which one is it? Fire or something? You try. I don't know.
Can we say the pot?
What did they say?
They said the Mockingjay.
That's the only one I know.
That's the second part.
The Hunger Games.
I don't know, just know part 2.
Hunger Games Part 2, and that is 10 points for your team. The name of the Hunger Games is Catching Fire. Or Part 2. Hunger Games Part 2 is correct.
important.
Wow, teams. Give yourselves a big hand. That is the end of Valu Valu V. We're going to take a short break and come back for another new round of the cups. Five time. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is one of the newest rounds. Po Mano'o, known as the cups. Will be played like so. Both teams will try and move the cup at the end and flip it to see if it lands face down. The first team to get all their players successfully flip the cup wins the points for this first round of the cups. Okay? All the best, Rosie and Anita, for your teams. Your time starts now. Okay, going for her first and successful on her first try. Neta's good. Is that? Yes, that's the one, Rosie. Oh, Robin, trying very, very hard to. Oh, keep going. Don't worry, Rosie. Oh, Water for Life. One more player to go. Bolivia. Okay, first one. Rosie done. Nani for her attempt to flip. Bolivia, don't worry. Oh, and Adrian and Bolivia. First one to make this wins points for their team. And Team Tropical. Hey! Congratulations. Telefollow, ladies and gentlemen. We have just finished the first game of cups. The second one is called the Great Balls of Cup. Anita will throw a ball, a ping pong ball, and Bolivia will try and catch it in the cup. We will stack up 5 cups, and the first team to finish within 30 seconds or the fastest time wins 10 points. Water for Life. Your time starts now. Okay, nice try. Keep going, keep going. She's got one in. Second one. Let's go, Olivia. Nice one. Nice catching. Nice catch. Oh. I got it. Don't worry. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You got 2 more. 1 more. Teamwork. Teamwork. Whoa, teamwork. Oh. Don't worry. Livia, you got this. 1 more, Livia. 1 more. Time is up. Nice one, team. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cups. Not bad. Thank you, Livia and team. Teams, we have just finished with Water for Life. They got up to 4 cups. Let's see if Team Tropical can finish all 5 to win 10 points. Okay, your time starts now. Adrian, throwing the first one. A bit too aggressive. Second one. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Oh, teamwork, teamwork. Your ball collector's working very hard. Nice one. Second cup. Third cup. Keep going, keep going. Don't, you have a few more seconds left. You have a few more seconds. Keep going, keep going. One more. Ah. Wow, teams. Nice going, but as always in Po Mano'o, whenever there is a draw, we settle this with gang, come on. We have our Water for Life, Anita and Adrian. Teams, you guys will draw at the Great Balls of Cup to settle a draw. Gang, come on. Are you ready? Put your hands in the middle, please. Are you ready? On my call, okay? Gang, come on. Adrian wins the push. Thank you very much. Teleforever, ladies and gentlemen. We are now at the third game of cups. We have cup hands. 2 players from each team will work together and try and stack up 4 dices together. The first team to finish it within 30 seconds wins 10 points. And now, team, your time starts now. We have cup hands. Let's see who's stacked. Okay, it's a bit tricky. Water for Life, up by 1. Team TropiKal taking it steady. And Water for Life. Nice going, ladies. 30 is... Ooh, keeps falling off. Time. Gang, come on again. Okay. Nice going, ladies. We both stacked up 3 dices each. Just one member. Quickly do a gang, come on right here. Rosie doing the gang, come on this time. I believe Robin, yes? Okay. Hands in the middle, please. On my call. Gang, come on. No. We're gonna go for real. Okay, ready. Gang, come on. And another 10 points for Team TropiKal. Teleforever, ladies and gentlemen. We are now at the 4th game of the cups called Need for Speed. The teams will try and blow the ball around this cup and back there, and the team with the fastest time wins. Starting us off is Water for Life. Girls, ladies, are you guys ready? Okay. Ready? Go. Oh. You can pick it up. Yep. Let's go.
I bet you're going.
Ooh, really? Oh, good. Ooh. We're professionals. Yo, let's go. Nice going. You're good. You have to finish it. Complete the race. Robin, now Nita's turn. Nita to take it home. Bolivia, blow black. You gotta fit all the way. On time. Your time is 51 seconds. Congratulations, ladies. Now, Team TropiKal. The time to beat is 51 seconds. Soft is their strategy. But when you are ready, blow away. Go. Adrian. Oh, wow. Oh, and they finish with... Thank you very much. Their time, 13 seconds. Wow, congratulations, teams. Teleforever, ladies and gentlemen, our last game for round 2 of the cups is called So Close Yet So Far. Our teams will bend over with hands behind their backs to try and pick up the cup, and the first team or player to pick it up successfully wins 10 points. Now, Robin and Adrian, When you are ready, your time starts now. Get low. Get low. Oh, and she does 10 points. 10 points. Ladies and gentlemen, that is... Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We have just finished round 2 and now into round 3 of Po Mano'o. We have Coconati. Coconati, ladies and gentlemen, will be played like hangman, but a lot better. Instead of the man hanging, we will draw a part of the coconut tree for every incorrect guess. Yes? And if you get the whole tree, the coconut will fall and your team will be eliminated from that puzzle. But for every correct guess, you get points for your team. And you can solve it anytime. Alright. We are going to start with Team Water for Life. Water for Life, your first guess.
A.
Do we have an A? A is correct. A lot of points for your team. Team TropiKal. It's a famous person. M. They guessed an M. M is incorrect. Nice try. But you guys get the treat. Water for Life.
Maybe E. E.
E? Do we have an E? For extra. E is also incorrect. Both teams now at the treat. Team TropiKal.
We'll go with S.
S. Do we have an S?
Wow.
Okay. Team TropiKal with the leads. Team Water for Life.
T.
T. Do we have a T? There is one T. That is a good guess. Team TropiKal. One more guess for your team.
U.
Do we have a U? Oh, I'm so sorry. Nani?
Yeah.
Nani and your team, unfortunately, you guys are eliminated from this puzzle. Don't worry, we have 2 more puzzles to go. But now, Team Water for Life gets to try and solve. You can guess another letter.
R.
Is there an R?
Oh, wow.
You guys have the leaves. You can solve or you can keep guessing.
Can I get a hint?
Do we just go by ourselves now?
Yeah.
Yes. You get this puzzle all together.
Do we get a hint?
Hint? I'm so sorry.
No.
We do
It's an English name.
I.
It's an English name, yes. I. Do we have an I? Last yes for Water for Life. I is correct.
Can we keep guessing?
Yes, you can keep guessing.
O.
Is there an O? There is an O. Oh, who is this famous person?
Mania Toloa.
Oh.
They want to solve? This is Hanya Tolo. Okay, teams. Puzzle 1 down. We are now on to our second puzzle for Upu Fasamo, and we're going to start with Team TropiKal. Do we have an Apu? Yes, is correct.
So many points.
Team Water for Life.
A.
We have an A. And on it. A is correct. Over to Team TropiKal. With this puzzle, you want to try and be the first one to solve.
E.
E. Ipo? E is correct. You don't want to give your opponent too many letters. O. We have an O. O is in there.
Let's guess.
Let's take guess.
Yeah. Who guess?
You want to solve it?
Yeah.
Okay. Adrian wants to solve. Adrian?
So yaso vale uso mo waso uma.
Yeah.
To yasovale auso moaso uma.
I didn't know this at the beginning.
That is correct. And Adrian. Is this point for his team? Thank you very much, team. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, teams. Our third and last puzzle for coconut is a book. Starting with Team Water for Life.
T.
T. Do we have a T? T is correct. Going Water for Life. Tropical.
A.
Do we have an A? A for awesome. Nice going, Adrian. But that is incorrect.
E for all no.
Water for Life.
E.
E. We have an E. Envelope. E is correct. Points for Team Water for Life. Tropical.
H.
H. Do we have H is correct. Back to Water for Life.
S.
S. Do we have an S? S. There is an S. Okay, we're getting there. Tropical.
You wanna go first?
Would you guys like to solve? Yeah?
No.
Okay, so okay, let us guess. Yes.
M.
M. Do we have an M? For mega. Oh, M is correct. Back to Waterfall. It is a book, the first book we've ever had.
O.
Oh. For more.
First one.
O is correct. Team Tropical. Yes, E? Oh. So,
We'll go with N.
N. Do we have an N? N is there. So first word of the book is sons. And the last word is home.
Oh, sorry.
F?
Can I?
Would you like to solve?
Will it go off if I?
It's just one. You just get the tree trunk if you get it in.
Okay. So, but if I guess, I just get the tree trunk.
Yes.
Sons for the return home.
Is it sons for the return home?
No.
Congratulations, teams, and we're gonna take a short break and go into our lightning round. Puff time. Talafalava, ladies and gentlemen, we have now come to the end of Po Mano'o, the lightning round. I am now joined with Team TropiKal. How you guys feeling so far?
Great.
No nerves? Okay, congratulations for making this far. You guys remember lightning round? We'll try and go through as many questions as fast as we can, and we will see who goes home the winner tonight, okay? Your time starts after I read the first question. How many points did Toa Samoa score against Australia?
10.
10.
Which country has the largest population in the world?
India.
True or false? Harry Styles' middle name is Edward.
True.
How many TV stations does Samoa have?
5.
What part of the atom has no electrical charge?
Pass.
What American city is the Golden Gate Bridge?
San Francisco.
Which rugby league club does Swali'i play for?
Roosters.
What is the tallest mountain in New Zealand?
Pass.
Where is the next sevens leg tournament held at?
Dubai.
What is meteorology the study of?
Weather.
What is X in the Roman numerals mean?
10.
What name were the Egyptian rulers known as?
Pharaohs.
How many reindeers, including Rudolph, pull Santa's sleigh?
12.
Thank you very much, Nani, and your team. I'll see you guys again shortly. Our last team, Team Water for Life, will go through their lightning round now. But before that, Team Bolivia and your team, how are you guys feeling so far?
Feeling like children.
I hope you're having a lot of fun. Kids do have a lot of fun, but all the best with your team. You remember, lightning round, we will try and go through as many questions as fast as we can. If you don't know the answer, you can pass. If you do, we'll give it a wild guess, okay? All the best, and your time starts after I read the first question. How many points did Toa Samoa score against Australia?
10.
Which country has the largest population in the world?
India.
True or false? Harry Styles' middle name is Edward.
Pass.
How many TV stations does Samoa have?
6.
What part of the atom has no electrical charge?
Pass.
What American city is the Golden Gate Bridge located?
Pass.
Which rugby league club does Swali'i play for?
Panthers.
What is the tallest mountain in New Zealand?
Ooh. Pass.
Where is the next sevens leg tournament held at?
Dubai. Dubai.
What is meteorology the study of?
Weather.
What does X in the Roman numerals mean?
10.
What name were the Egyptian rulers known as?
Pharaoh.
How many reindeers, including Rudolph, pulls Santa's sleigh?
7. 11.
11. Thank you very much, Bolivia, and your team. Talafalava, ladies and gentlemen, we are now at the end of Po Mano'o. Just finished our lightning round with both teams. Both teams did amazing, and now we're going to find out what their answers are. For the first question, we asked, how many points did Toa Samoa score against Australia? Both teams answered 10. That is correct. Answer is 10. Second question, which country has the largest population in the world? Both teams answered India, but the correct answer is China. India won't have the largest population until next year. Yeah, they got a few more kids to go. Third question, true or false? Harry Styles' middle name is Edward. True from TropiKal. We got a pass from Water for Life. The correct answer is true. Edward is his middle name. Fourth question. How many TV stations does Samoa have? We got a 5 from TropiKal. Thank you very much. We got a 6 from Water for Life. But the correct answer is 9. There are 9 TV stations in Samoa. Question number 5. What part of the atom has no electrical charge? Pass from both teams. The correct answer is neutron.
I knew it.
Caleb knew it. That's okay. Next question. What American city is the Golden Gate Bridge located? We got a pass from Water for Life. San Francisco from TropiKal. The correct answer is San Francisco. Yes. 7th question. Which rugby league club does Swali'i play for? We got Panthers from Water for Life and Sydney Roosters from TropiKal. Correct answer is the Roosters. Yes, he did play for the Roosters. 8. What is the tallest mountain in New Zealand? Pass from both teams. The mountain is known as Mount Cook. Mount Cook is the tallest mountain in New Zealand. 9. Where is the next sevens leg tournament held at? Both teams answered Dubai. That is correct. What is meteorology the study of? Both teams answered weather. That is also correct. I got that. What is X in Roman numerals mean? Both teams answered 10. Both teams got it right. What name were the Egyptian rulers known as? Both teams answered pharaohs. Correct answer is pharaohs. And the last question. Both teams stopped here. How many reindeers, including Rudolph, pull Santa's sleigh? We got a 12 from TropiKal, a 7 from Water for Life. The number of reindeers, including Rudolph, is 9. There are 9 reindeers. But yes, give yourselves a big hand, teams. Congratulations on making it this far. But unfortunately, there can only be one winner. And the team coming in with 139 points, we have Team Water for Life. Congratulations, Team Water for Life. And the Team TropiKal with 235 points. Congratulations. Thank you very much, teams. It was amazing playing with you all. Thank you very much, Water for Life. It was a lot of fun, a lot of new games. I know it was a bit shocking, but hopefully see you guys again next year. But for Team TropiKal, I'll see you guys in the semifinals. Thank you very much for playing with us. Thank you to our both teams for being such great sport. Thank you, Samoa, for watching. Until next time, to vaze.